Hey, this is Harun. We are learning WordPress, so it's our lecture 3 where we'll learn how to install a custom theme, how to move our HTML template into WordPress, how to display all the content of our HTML template in WordPress. So let's move. First of all, whenever we restart our computer, we have to check our XAMPP server. Click on XAMPP server and start Apache and MySQL. Yes, then close it. Now move to your browser and write here localhost personal blog. Personal blog is here your WordPress project. So press enter. Now type here localhost personal blog and wp admin. It's your admin panel that demands your username and password. It's WordPress username and WordPress password. Now write here admin and password and now login, and you can see it's our WordPress admin panel. Come to the appearance, move to the theme and click, and now you can see it's our WordPress built-in themes. Now you can install any theme from here. And I'm going to install 2014. It's a theme named 2014. It's a 2014. Now click on install, and here is your localhost personal blog. You can see the appearance. Now I'm going to here and activate my 2014 that I have installed, and yes, it's active now. Refresh it. And it changed the appearance of our project because we are using 2014 theme. It's appearance of 2014. Now I'm going to my C XAMPP htdocs personal project wp content theme. The all theme you can see here 2040 that we had installed. I'm going to copy it and paste here. Now it will create a copy. I'm going to write here my blog because I'm creating my custom theme. I'm writing here my blog. You can write anything that you want. Now move back to your admin panel, refresh. Now you can see it's my blog. I'm going to activate my blog here, and you can see there is no change. Now our theme is my blog. Header, it's index file, and it's footer file. So I'm going to this is my my HTML template that is built in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So now I'm going to move my HTML template into WordPress. It's my HTML template. You can see close it and open HTML template in Sublime editor. It's my HTML, so I have to move my HTML files content into WordPress theme. First of all, I have to choose header. You can see it's header, so it's my header, and I'm going to copy and select all and delete. I'm going to paste here. Yes, it's my HTML template content. Now save it, and I move back to my index.html file. Now I have to copy and it's my footer. And now I'm selecting till contact, and yes, now copy it and go to our index page. Header will get the header file and footer will get the footer file. So I have to paste here my content, and yes, all is paste has been done. You can see I'm going to refresh or localhost personal blog. You can see the changing, but there is some errors because it's not look like this. In our my blog HTML template, you can see many files and folders. You have to just copy all the folders. I'm just going to copy except index file because index file I had already copied in our index header and footer page these folders. And now go back to your my blog WordPress theme and paste here. WordPress theme have a style sheet. You can see there is WordPress theme built-in style sheet. You can write here alt style sheet and go back to your my blog template and copy this style sheet and paste here. Now we have to refresh. There is no changing in localhost personal blog. We have to use a function. Start from the header. You have to use a function. I'm writing there where all links available, that is php blog info template semicolon and press and slash, copy and paste in every link. Now save it and go back to your personal blog, localhost personal blog, and refresh it. Now you can see there is some changing. To go back in the footer, copy all the footer and paste in footer.php. You can see there is many JS files, main JavaScript files, scripting files here. So I have to write here the code, blog info, template. Now copy and paste here, and now move back to your localhost personal blog. Now refresh it. Yes, it not showing any pictures. Now move back to your index. All pictures are in upload folder. Search and replace command. So press Ctrl+H. It will find uploads and move all uploads to this and right here uploads. Now replace all. Yes, you can see it replace all uploads. Where uploads was right, it replaced with this code. And press Ctrl+H. Now go back to your localhost personal blog and press enter or refresh. Now you can see all the pictures. But this logo is not showing in your personal blog. Now I'm going to see what happened with it. Now go to the header part. Now this is our logo. So right here that got php blogin for template.url, and now move back to your local host and refresh it. Now your WordPress theme look like your HTML template. So we have to move our HTML template into WordPress. So for next customization, you can see computer hacks